Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm with Lloyd Floor Mats. I want to talk about cleaning our floor mats today. Lloyd mats are made with premium nylon yarn, and they should be treated like a house carpet. Never throw the mats in a washing machine. You wouldn't pick up your house carpet and throw that in a washing machine, so you wouldn't pick up your floor mat and throw that in the washing machine either. Mats should be vacuumed regularly, and even your house carpet, the more you vacuum it, the longer the life of the mat or your house carpet will be. So treat Lloyd mats just like house carpet. These mats can be steam cleaned. If you get too much water on them, just make sure you dry them flat. They should be dried on a flat surface, and it'll come back, and you shouldn't have any problems with that. Spills, you pull out of Burger King and you drop your Diet Coke on there. Try to absorb as much of the moisture as you can, and any residual stain, just use a carpet cleaner like Woolite or something like that, and just brush it lightly and go over it. The main thing to keeping Lloyd mats clean is vacuuming often, and that'll extend the life, like I said.